Your wood-burning fireplace or stove is sure to make two things: heat and creosote. It's unavoidable, but here are some things you can do to slow the buildup of creosote in your chimney. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What is creosote? Creosote is a flammable tar-like substance that forms in the pipes of any appliance that burns wood or coal. Wood is the absolute worst for creating creosote, while burning coal isn't as damaging. Left alone, creosote solidifies in your chimney. If you ignore it and allow it to build up too long, not only will removing it cost more, but it could cause a chimney fire. Creosote is also known to cause cancer. Removing creosote not only saves you money in the long run, it can also save your life. What causes creosote? From the moment they leave the fire, exhaust gases begin cooling. When they cool enough, they become the sticky liquid we call creosote. Here are some of the biggest accelerators of creosote buildup. Offsets and elbows. The walls of a flue are always cooler than the gases they contain. A straight vertical vent run allows exhaust gases to escape up a chimney while they're at their hottest and with minimal contact to the walls. This denies creosote the opportunity to stick and build. When a chimney flue bends, the gases encounter more friction as they turn the corners, which causes them to slow down and stall. Not only that, but more of the gases come into contact with the flue walls in the offsets, non-vertical sections, and the returns. Bottom line, if you have offsets or elbows, you'll have more creosote deposits. So you should have your chimney cleaned more often. Exposed venting. If you have a chimney that's heavily exposed to the cold, you'll have a harder time fighting creosote than if your chimney had some protection. It's best to enclose your chimney within the building structure and allow 5 feet or less of the venting to extend outside the building. Whenever possible, enclose your metal venting in an insulated chimney chase. This will go a long way towards hindering creosote buildup by keeping your vent pipes warmer. Poor maintenance. Regular sweeping keeps creosote from overtaking your chimney. There's no way to prevent creosote from being created, but good chimney sweeping habits can definitely keep it from building up. Using your heating appliance just a few times a year won't require monthly sweeping. The beginning of each burn season will be fine. But if you're using your wood burner daily as your main source of heat, you may want to consider having a sweep about every month. Poor fuel choice. Softwoods like pine and cedar burn very hot and they burn quick. This hot burn, quick flame out pattern creates sudden shifts in the flue from hot to cool, which aids the formation of creosote. So avoid using softwoods like these in indoor fireplaces, except in small quantities as kindling wood whenever you can. Incorrect chimney sizing. If you don't connect your appliance to the right size venting, it may not operate properly. Gases can become sluggish and backed up in the flue system, which hastens the buildup of creosote. Your appliance has been tested to find the optimum venting diameter for its firebox and its opening size. That diameter is listed in the appliance's manual. Only use the listed diameter all the way from the flue outlet collar to the termination cap. This way, gases maintain their speed, flowing through your venting without stagnating. By following these tips, you'll keep the buildup of creosote in your chimney to a minimum, and you can enjoy your fireplace or stove safely all year long, year after year. For more tips, be sure to check out the full article at eFireplaceStore.com. And for help selecting the right chimney or venting components for your hearth appliance, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.